What's up guys? On this channel I'm going to do a build thread. I'm going to follow my Volvo build that I've had for 13 years. It's been off the road for 6 because of a blown engine, and stupid me thought, oh yeah, I'll just park it up and I'll go to it one day. It's been 6 years. I finally bought an engine. I got my best mate Hayden that's going to come out, tow it, see if we can get it out of the driveway and bring it up to Sydney to my house and start the build. Already got the engine, already got some of the parts. It's time to get going. Time to get building. So picked up the trailer, time to go pick up the wagon. And the paint's definitely faded. You reckon? I don't know about the back here though, where I've sanded. Yeah, it's definitely got a thick layer of dust on it.
Yeah, you wait and see. You only got to rub your finger over it now.
There's definitely a layer of spider webs on here. You're trying to prove to me now that it's...
Yeah, look, you watch. This is just compound.
I think you need to do a lot of scrubbing.
No. In a buff.
Alright, I believe you. I believe you. I'm never going to get any tail lights.
Hey, there's no red car down there. How about that, eh? It's only about 7 years. Poor old baby.
You can see it's so dark.
Holes in the block. I wonder who put those there.
I didn't do that.
Oh, the motor did it.
I came from the mud. There's dirt
The Iron Man challenge.
on the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
You worry about that handbrake.
Yeah, we don't want to stuff the new car up. So can you tie it so it can't go backwards or forwards?
Yeah, I've got one. So the chain I'll wrap around here.
No, they just said not to. So.
Oh, okay. Yeah, listen to the rules, they're meant to be broken.
I said we were breaking all of them already.
That's true.
When it rains, it pours. Water's up to my chin. Won't stop fighting to the very end.
Got the wagon. Turns out it was actually a lot easier than we expected. I was expecting to be stuck in the mud because it's been sitting on a grass hill for the last 6 to 7 years, but no, it came out pretty easy. Put a snatch strap behind Hayden's D-Max and got it out. Tyres are a bit flat, paint's a bit how you going, but it's a good starting point. Now we're cruising back to Sydney, so I can start working on it.
Facing all the sleepless nights. the sunrise, when the sun.
It's in the driveway, but not fully in the driveway. Oh shit. Running Man doesn't work.
No.
Yeah, it's been sitting for 6 years. It's got pretty bad, what do you call it? Oxidization. It's pretty horrendous. Come up too bad. Just a wash. Paint's still a bit how you going, but it's not nothing I can really do about it, especially this part. Can't fix that. So I went from faded. So I went from this faded look to that red just with a wash. Big difference. So all I've done is a wash, and it seems like it's coming up pretty good. After sitting for 6+ years, paint's still pretty bad, but it's not too much of a worry. I reckon I could get a professional detailer in and get the paint back to perfection.